it's your nam. So first, since wala ko masyadong vlog for this week kasi wala pa aming shoot and hindi ko pa na-edit yung practice vlog namin. Kasi iniisip ko ba kung gusto ko pa siya ilabas or not. Pero ayun, mag-unboxing tayo. Ayan, mag-unboxing tayo na Shinseonyo ni trading cards. Shinseonyo ni San? Yata, I'm not sure. But anyways, Shinseonyo ni trading cards. So like, pag pinili mo siya, hindi mo siya pwedeng bilhin like isang pack lang. So, kailangan dalawang pack. So like, I'm going to unbox like 2 pack. Hindi nga siya unpacking lang siya. Kasi slam, merong house run dito or depending on size. It's like 0.01%. But we'll take that. Kasi like, most likely, makukuha ko dito is like yung mga popular chains, which is like yung top 9. So, okay, sorry, may dumating na shop. Bubuksan natin yung isang unang-unang pack. Bakit hindi ko na? Okay. Ito yung ano, like, pa natin kasi like, ayoko lang makita agad. Anyways, ito yung ano, like yung unang card. Ito lang yung nag-iisang card dun sa buong pack na ganito. So, Yibay! Si Yibay to, diba? Like, if I'm not wrong, this is like Go Yibay. Ang pretty niya ko ngayon. Wait lang. Ito siya sa mga ano, like, mga mama ko doon sa ano, usually. Kung makamove on, kasi like, ang ganda nung, like, you see, do you see why it's pretty? Like, I mean, other than it's Yibay, like, it's pretty. Dalawa yung ganitong photocard like sa loob. Dalawa siyang ganyan. Yeah, I think dalawa. Yeah, tama ka, dalawa. So, let's see. Sino na to? Pwede bang siya, kung nakakuha ko ng Yibay, pwede bang yung Zai? Please? Si Kuma. Kasama tayo mo to. Like, oh, holo siya. Holo. You can see the holo. Yeah. Shinji. Ang pretty talaga kasi holo yung photo card. So, then, we got this cards. Like, yung profile cards nila. May zooming ako. Yung profile cards nila is like 5. So, yan. We have Liam, Yancy. Kasi parang ayaw yata magpakita. Liam, magpakita ka. Ayaw magpakita, but like, yeah, we have Liam. Ako pa kung sino to kasi like, I low-key forgot. Pero like, Takahashi yung name na nakalagay. Then we have Yang Hongmin. Who's the MVP Hongmin? Si Lizon. Then there's Jeremy. Deng Zemin. Jeremy. Tapos, si Lizon. Per pack. I think you get like 5 cards of these. Like yung Trini profile. Then, dalawang holo na photo card. Like yung dark holo photo card. Then, isang signed photo card. Hindi naman signed, pero like, you know, you get the point. Signed photo card. So, yun. Yun yung first pack. Masaya naman ako sa like, nakuha ko si Yibay. Tapos biglang lumabas si Haoming tsaka si Jeremy. Li Junhao. Wang Dachen. meron. Yo Chen. Actually, at this point, masaya na lang ako na makakuha ng kahit sino, to be honest. Pakita muna natin kasi hindi ko naman siya nakikita. So, parang, pwede bang may loser guys? Una si Han Bize. Yang. Hans. And si Johan. Ang pretty ng trading cards sila. Wala pa magbibigay ng music. The Ray. So, yun. So, yun na yung lahat ng cards na nakuha ko. Like, total of 8 cards. Like, 5 paulit-ulit ako. Pero masaya na ako. Masaya na ako. That is for sure. Good ka. So, bye-bye.